Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 21st, 2024. We have not so good news because in this weekend edition we have here only have the puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, the binary, and this one also a binary with 3 stars. And the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In this newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional for the Sunday. Let me show you. So only the puzzle page. And I have another bad news because the paper boy has not delivered the whole newspaper, so it's incompleted. And there is also a second part of the newspaper. Let's say it's additional, and in that additional we have the regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku with 3 stars, and the samurai Sudoku. So I cannot solve those puzzles. Maybe if I have the time, I will go to the library, and maybe they have that part of the newspaper. But right now we have only 6 puzzles for the weekend. The first puzzle I will do is the 4 star Sudoku number 9643. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot. 28 should be a 0 stars because the 4 star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. This one has 4 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3. Okay. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7. Should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7. Should be there. 7. Well, cannot continue at the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 8 in this column? Third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left at 8 should be there. I need a 9 here. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the 8. Should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, let me see. How about, I need a 2 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Need a 2. Need a 9 here. All right, and now 6 6 6 6 6. Think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot it 8 8. 1 7. Come on. Need a 2 here or there. Well, in this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. One of those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this column, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. So the 2 there, okay. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so in the row between the second row. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last row. Oh, wait. This should be a 2, not a 4. Okay. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row, so in that row, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We have 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Another 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We Wait. So 1. I need to wait here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. 4. 1, 4. I need a 6 here. Alright. 8. This is a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. With all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. How about the 1? 1. Need to wait. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 8. Alright, now need a 5, need a 9, 5, 9, and the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and 3, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Okay, now 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, column, correction. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column. Only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Okay. Well, I need to wait here for the 9. Here also the 9. One box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see. 5 and the 4. Well. 6 and the 4. Come on. 1, 6 and the 4. 4. The 7s. I'm thinking. 3. Need a 3 here or there. In this big square, we need a 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3. Need to wait. One box left now in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. So 1 box left in the set column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Then 9 and 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3 and the 5. 7 and the 7 and a 9. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those. 3, 6. And now, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 9 and the 4, we have a 9 already in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay. Then 4. How about the 6 then? 6 and a 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 4 and a 6 and a 3. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this row. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 5 should be there. Then 3 and 5. I'm thinking. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column, so the column 3. Only place left for 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column 3, the only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and 6, well, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.